Hi, my name is David and thank you for watching. This training video is designed to teach you how to generate a network license file from the Autodesk account. The steps in this video assume that you have already purchased an Autodesk network license, that you have a general understanding of what a license server model is, and that you have already collected your license server details. Open an internet browser and go to the following URL: manage.autodesk.com. Then enter your Autodesk credentials to access your account. The landing page will show a summary of your products. On the bottom left corner, expand the quick link section, then click on Generate a Network License File. Here you can select your license server model. First, let's see how to proceed for each option. Then we'll collect our license file. Let's see the single server option first. Enter your server name and the server MAC address. Click the plus sign below to add the desired products to your license file. Then select the software to add, and finally, Add Selected. Now let's see how to generate a license file for the redundant server model. The process is similar to single server. We just need to enter the details of all three servers of our server pool. Finally, click the plus sign below, select the software to add to your license files, then Add Selected. Remember, each license file generated in redundant server model will be the same for each server. This way, all of your software licenses will be replicated on each server. Let's have a look at the distributed model. Enter the server name and MAC address of the first server in the server pool. Then click Add another network server to add each additional server. Click the plus sign button below each server to add licenses to it. If you have more than one seat for a specific license, you can select the number of seats to assign to each server. Do this for all the servers to split your licenses across them as desired. The system will warn you if you have allocated more or fewer seats than those available. Adjust the seat allocation until you have used all available seats. You will not be able to generate a license file if you have overallocated seats. Once done, click on Get License File. A preview of your license file will be shown. The information is displayed depending on the servers and products you specified earlier. You have two options here: copy to clipboard to copy the license file code over to an existing license file, or save license file to save the license file to a specified location. By clicking Send and Close, the license file will be sent to the address associated with your Autodesk account. If you provide additional email addresses, the license file will be sent to those as well. Remember, for distributed servers, license files are generated separately for each server, and this prompt will be displayed once for each license file. Click Send and Next to email the current license file and move to the next one. Finally, click Send and Close when you've sent the last license file. For other Autodesk troubleshooting and training videos, please refer to the Notes section of this video or search our channel for other content.